Hello, children. How are you? In the last class, I have revised the lesson, The Story of Wheel, and I have discussed with you all the answers of all the questions. So, I hope you have written all the answers. Great. Then, today, let's revise the next chapter, that is places of recreation. What is recreation? We cannot work all the time. Yes, so we need rest. During rest, we like to have fun. So, this is called recreation. This fun makes us fresh again. Okay, we have to enjoy our free time. Whenever we get time, we have to enjoy our time. So, how do we enjoy our time? Most of the children enjoy their time in different ways. There are two types of recreation, indoor and outdoor. So, in different ways, some like to spend their time in indoor games, others by playing outdoor. So, outdoor games, most important is playing cricket and going to a park. Most of the children like to go to the park. Yes, park, they enjoy there. How do the children enjoy in the park? Children love to go to the park because they can play there. They get a huge ground over there to play. They run, they also do jogging there. They, most of the people go to the park for morning walk, which is also very important. Going to the park, it keeps us healthy and it keeps our life fit. Yes, children go to the park for fun also. Okay, so going to the park, most of the children love it. Playing cricket, they also, some children like to play cricket in their free time. Mostly boys, you will see boys play cricket a lot. It is a good exercise also. Okay, going to watch a puppet show. Most of the children, sometimes there is a puppet show in our city. In puppet show, what do they do? Wooden dolls act different characters in stories in the puppet shows. So children love to do that. Okay, love to watch puppet show. They enjoy a lot. Sometimes we visit a zoo. In zoo we see many types of animals. Okay, different types of animals. People go with their children. Children enjoy their watching animals which they read in the books and all. Okay, so these are the outdoor games. There are many other outdoor games also, football, hockey. Okay, these are the outdoor. Some cycling is also outdoor activity. Cycling is very good for our health. Okay, then other, swimming. Swimming also, we go to the circus where children love the most. They see different stunts by the animals. We go to the museum. Circus, when circus comes to a town, children enjoy seeing a circus. Museum and zoo are other places of recreation. What we see in the museum, we see different objects. Okay, and we see animals and birds in a zoo. Another outdoor activity is going to a cinema hall. Okay, cinema is very popular means of recreation. There are cinema halls in every city or in every neighborhood. People go there and enjoy film shows. Okay, these are the outdoor recreational activities. What are indoor recreational activities? Indoor activities, some children enjoy reading storybooks, some watch the television in their free time, some also like to listen to radio programs. But children, we should always watch a television from a distance, okay, as it is harmful to our eyes. Other indoor games are carom, cards, chess, ludo, playing in a computer. Okay, these are all indoor recreational activities. Drawing, you can do drawing in their free time. Some children like to do craft work, which also encourages their creativity. These are the indoor recreational activities. All these recreational activities encourage the children. Okay, so I have discussed with you indoor and outdoor recreational activities. Now, in some villages, there is a chapel. Okay, people gather there in the evenings. They gather there and they do chit chat over there, because in villages there are very limited recreational activities. They can do their outdoor activities, but they don't get any indoor activities to do. Okay, so they villagers chit chat among themselves, they visit relatives, they watch festivals also, singing, dancing in a group. They always do in a group. They also worship together, praying together in a temple. They go to fairs in a group. These are all means of recreation in villages. There is also a panchayat hall. At these places, that is chapel and panchayat hall, they gather there and they spend their free time. So at these places there are means of recreation. So recreation is the enjoyment of free time. Yes, in other words, if we say it is the enjoyment of free time, we all need recreation to be happy and active. Okay, and all these recreation, who provides it? Our neighborhood. Our neighborhood provides these all means of recreation to us. So children, we should always keep our neighborhood clean. It is our duty to keep our neighborhood clean, neat and tidy, so that we can enjoy and celebrate each occasions happily. Okay, so we these are our responsibility, that we should not keep our neighborhood untidy. We should not throw garbage here and there, because it causes a lot of difficulty to others also in the neighborhood. So those who throw garbage here and there, such people spoil the fun. So children, we have learned the chapter places of recreation before, and today also I have revised again. So now let's move question answer. Okay, answer in brief. What is recreation and give examples. I hope you know the answers, but I am discussing with you all the answers. Recreation are those activities that people do to refresh their minds. Okay? Recreation are those activities that people do to refresh their minds and body and make their leisure time more interesting and enjoyable. We cannot work all the time, so we feel tired, so we need rest. During rest, we like to have fun, and this fun makes us fresh and active again. This is called recreation. Recreational activities are done for enjoyment, pleasure, and are considered to be fun. What are the examples now? Examples of recreation activities are walking, swimming, meditation, reading, playing games, and dancing. You can write any examples. I am just giving you points. You can write by yourself, make frame it and write down. Okay? Next question is, what is the purpose of recreation? What is the purpose of recreation? Recreation plays an important role in our life. It improves our health, it reduces our stress, and it manages depression. It helps us in spending the precious time in the right way. It provides a chance to nurture ourselves. Recreational activity balances our academic pressures and mental well being. It gives us more energy to do our work well. Yes, children, recreation plays an important role in our life. How? It improves our health. Yes, when we spend our time, free time, we forget all our tensions. Okay, in this way, it reduces our stress and it also manage our depression. Okay, so recreational activity balances our academic pressures. We have pressures of our exams and all, so it balances our academic pressures and we feel very fresh and active again. So in this way we can do our work well after active again, after getting fresh. We do our work well, right? Question number 3. What is the importance of recreation activities for students? What is the importance of recreational activities for students? Recreational activities improves confidence of the students. Yes, it improves confidence when we do our pastime, that is favorite pastime, again and again. We get confidence of it. Yes, that I can do better, I can do best. So in this way it improves our confidence. It manages stress of the students. It increases stamina and energy level, due to which students can focus more on their educational activities. Yes, they become more self-disciplined. Recreational activities gives chance to show talents other than academics. Yes, every time we can't study. We we are not here to show our talents only in academics. In other activities also, we have to show our talents. So recreational activities gives us chance to show our talents. It helps in overall development of the student's life. Understood, children? These are the points of recreational activities for students. Question number 4. Why is outdoor recreation important? Outdoor recreation, why it is important? Outdoor recreation is important for our health. Yes, we can do our exercise by doing outdoor activities. Our exercise is being done by us also. Okay, going out and enjoying provides physical and mental peace. Okay, it gives us mental peace. Outdoor recreation also bring us close to the nature. When we go out, suppose we are going to a park, we come close to the nature. So by going out, we come close to the nature, we can enjoy the beauty of nature. Okay, we are in the park, we can enjoy the beauty of the nature, we can do our exercises. So outdoor recreation is very important for our health. Done, children? Next, move to question number 5. If you choose, where would you like to enjoy your free time? This is the answer which you have to write by yourself. But still I am discussing with you what and how to write this answer. Okay? So listen properly. Here you can write about any activity that you like most. Okay, I can't say my choice here. If you choose, that means you have to write your choice, what activity you like most. Suppose you like reading. Okay, so what you will write? You will write about what type of storybooks you like to read, why you like reading as your pastime, how it gives pleasure to you. Okay, so you have to write like this way. If you are choosing any activity as your free time which you enjoy most, you have to write about it, why why you like this activity, how it gives pleasure to you. Okay, now if you enjoy playing cricket, okay children, what you will write? You will write about that game, that how you enjoy this game and why it is your favorite pastime. You can write that it helps children to learn play in groups. Yes, if you are playing cricket. Okay, so you can write that you learn to play in groups. Yes, why you choose this activity as your favorite pastime. You have to write this point also, why you are choosing this activity as your favorite pastime and how you enjoy. Okay, this is the answer. You have to write like this way. So I have discussed all these 5 questions with you. Now answer the following questions. Number 1, how do you enjoy your free time? Okay, how do you enjoy your free time? We enjoy our free time in different ways, like reading books, watching television, listen music, playing games, etc. You can write it. Here also you have to write how do you enjoy your free time. That means you have to write the different activities, indoor and outdoor, we can enjoy our free time in this way. Okay. Number 2, what are the two types of recreational activities? It's very easy, children. I hope you all know the answer. Yes, yes, I know you can write it. The two types of recreational activities, just now I discussed with you. Recreational activities are of two types. That is, what are they? Indoor and outdoor activities. Yes, two types of recreational activities are indoor and outdoor. Question number 3. Name some recreational activities. You have to write the recreational activities name of it. Again, don't write the same answer. Reading books, watching television, no. Recreational activities you have to write. I have discussed with you before also. I am giving you answer. Hiking and camping, biking, rock climbing, horseback riding, hunting and fishing. These are some of the recreational activities. See children, every time we can't write the common ones. Common ones we know: reading books, watching television, music, dancing, playing games, drawing, craft. These are also our free time activities, but some recreational activities, here you have to write some uncommon, that is biking, rock climbing, hunting, fishing, etc. Okay, next move to another question, that is, what are indoor recreational activity? I have done with you, I have discussed two types of recreational activities are there, indoor and outdoor. But what are indoor recreational activities? Indoor recreational activity is the activity that can be done or performed inside the house or a class. Yes, indoor, by the name only we mean in, that is inside, that is activity which we perform inside the house or inside the class. These activities are known as indoor recreational activities. Indoor recreational activities does not take more space also. It takes a small space to perform. Yes. What are outdoor recreational activities? Next question is, what are outdoor recreational activity? Outdoor recreational activity is the activity which is done outside the house or a class to enjoy. Yes, outdoor recreational activities, the activities which we perform, which we do outside the house, not inside the house. Okay, outside the house or a class to enjoy. These are outdoor recreational activities. Okay children, understood? What is a puppet show? Question number 6. A puppet show is a show in which wooden dolls acts different characters in stories. Yes, I've discussed with you just now. I've revised this puppet show. What is a puppet show? It is a show in which wooden dolls acts different characters in stories. Okay children? Question number 7. Why should we watch television from a distance? I think everyone can answer this. You know, At home also your parents must tell you, na, always they tell you to watch a television from a distance. Yes, they also give reasons for it. Yes, why should we watch television from a distance? We should always watch a television from a distance, as it is harmful to our eyes. Yes, because it is harmful to our eyes. Okay. Question number 8. How do children enjoy in a circus? What you do in a circus, what you see in a circus, that is the answer only. How do children enjoy in a circus? Children enjoy in a circus by seeing different stunts by the animals. Yes, they also enjoy seeing a joker, that is a clown, who makes them laugh. Yes, children laugh very much by seeing a clown. Clown is also known as joker. Okay, so children enjoy in a circus by seeing a clown who always do comedy in front of them to make them laugh. Yes, and by seeing different stunts by the animals. You can frame it anyway, but you have to cover all the points. Yes. Question number 9. What do you see in the museum? Have you see a museum, children? Have you ever seen? Have you ever visit to the museum? Yes, we see different objects having historical and cultural values in the museum. There are many objects in the museum we see, all are having historical and cultural values. So what do you see in the museum? We see different objects having historical and cultural values in the museum. So now short answers. That is, you have to just write answers in a word or in one sentence. Short answers you will write over here. But I will not tell you the answers of these questions because these are very easy. One word answer is there. You can write it by yourself. I'll only give the questions. Number 1. Name any 2 places of recreation. It's very easy, children. You can write it. Yes. Number 2. What does recreation makes us? Yes, after recreation, how do we feel? What it makes us? You have to write it. That. Number 3. Name the animals you see in the zoo. It's very easy, children. Number 4. Name 2 indoor activities. Yes. Number 5. Name 2 outdoor activities. Number 6. Name the popular means of recreation nowadays. What is the popular means of recreation nowadays? Most famous, you have to write that. Number 7. Name the sources of recreation in the village. What are the sources of recreation in the village? You will write that. 8. What do you do after finishing your homework? It's your choice. After coming back from school, when you finish up your homework, how do you spend your free time? You have to write that. Number 9. Is cycling a outdoor activity or indoor recreational activity? You have to just write in one word. Number 10. Name the different means of recreation in your neighborhood. That is, you have to write the different means of recreation in your neighborhood. What are? Just write few names. One or two, few names. Okay, children. Next is true or false. Just write true or false. Number 1. Chess is an outdoor game. Number 2. Going to an exhibition is an indoor activity. Number 3. We can play in the park. Number 4. We see animals in the zoo. Number 5. Drawing is an outdoor activity. So children, just write the answers, and I've discussed with you all true and false and short answers you will write by yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.